the market still goes higher and higher, and we're actually even, yeah, we moved through the July high of this year. So, and the VIX is actually lower. We haven't been this low on the, we never had this low volatility for I think 3 years, since January 2020. So yeah, for now it doesn't look that market will actually stop somewhere here. So technically it looks really ripe for a pullback here, but I think it can go at least until at least 4,700 or so. So I would still expect some kind of a yes, I do expect it to go slightly higher from here, because there is nothing except this ugly overbought RSI here. Nothing shows that it wants to slow down. So yeah, even if you will check the correlations on the bullish trade, you can see that most of them are bullish. 22 of 32 found moves are actually bullish, and average increase from here is 4%. So yeah, that's actually, this is the graph of Nasdaq, but Nasdaq and SPY they have a really good correlation, and probably they will be more or less similar next week or so. So yes, right now the really near term, I think I would expect a bullish move, but in the midterm and the long term, midterm, I would expect a pullback from here. So the goal for today is to find some really cheap bull spreads, debit call spreads, and let's see what do we have today. Let's go with IWM first, and there is none. Yeah, there are none. There are just debit vertical puts, which we are not interested in. Maybe in 3-4 days. We have a really, well, we have OPEX this week, triple witching Friday, so lots of expirations, and this can actually start to move down, but we will see. So nothing with small caps. Qs, where is the Qs? 15 trades, also just debit vertical put, nothing on the bullish side, and SPY is probably the same. I don't expect them to be very different. Yes, same here. So if we're talking market wise, there is nothing interesting on the bullish side, but of course you can go with single companies, and we will check what do we have. We have only 4 debit vertical calls today. Not really fun. CRM, Walmart, CRM, and Wayfair. All are pretty good, like less than 150 for position. Probably, yeah, Walmart and CRM probably would be better. One of the best positions for now, and to keep them for like 3-4 days probably. Let's see what is the CRM right now. Yeah, probably it can go together with the market a little bit higher, and then of course it will drop, because there was a really huge Walmart is not good here. What happened here? It was dividends and earnings were really good, but there is a huge gap down. Well, so yeah, not a Walmart, but CRM can be a good one. Credit vertical call. So I do not expect SPX to go higher than 4700s. So it probably would be a good idea to have some kind of credit vertical call there, but we do not have anything for SPY, so it means they are too cheap to sell. So what do we have here? Long calls. Long call is market, if we are talking about like ETFs, SPY and Qs, will not be a good idea here because I really expect a pullback, especially after Friday. So even though this week we probably will move up, we will probably grind little by little higher and higher until Friday. So that's at least my expectation. So buying a call here is not really good. Debit vertical would be better because you will not lose that much if something goes against you. Straddle, strangle, no, not in this environment. However, it actually can be a good idea. Long strangle can be good because you have no idea what will actually happen after the OPEX on Friday. So if there is anything interesting and cheap, I do not see right now anything cheap, at least. Yeah, I would want to go with probably like IWM or SPY or some kind of ETF. That would be nice, but I don't see any. And this is strange because VIX is really low. I don't understand why we do not have anything for ETFs. Let's see it's from this company view. IWM. No, we do have some strangles. IWM strangle at 177 and 200s. It can actually be interesting, very interesting. IWM, and the strikes are 177 and 200s. Where is it? 177 is here. Actually it is very low, and 200 is actually not that far. And the expiration date is March 15. That is really good. Yeah, that is really good trade. I probably will not do it personally because I already have too many long positions and I'm bleeding theta for 2 weeks, I think. So not for me right now, but this long strangle on AWM is really good. It's cheap, and the strikes are nice. They are at 25 delta. Option premium to underlying is almost 3%, slightly lower than 3%. Very good. I like this one. So basically on a long strangle you win if market goes either up or down, so you do not really care. You just need a really good move, and you have a lot of time until March 15 to go closer to the strikes. I really like this one. If I wouldn't have that many positions, I would start it without thinking at all. The probability of price going outside break-evens is kind of on the lower side, 36 and 40, because yeah, they are kind of far away, but look at the graph. It's here. This is the lowest strike and this is the highest strike, and you have like 3 months, I think. Yeah, this is possible with these type of moves that we have had over last month. It's definitely possible. So yeah, if you have no idea where the market will go, this one is really good. And if you expect some kind of bullish move this week, then the debit vertical call would be a nice option. So I think this is it for today. and I will see you later, probably Friday. Friday should be interesting day. So yes, leave comments, subscribe, like, and all that stuff, and see you.